This is a review on how to fix a display on a Lifestyle 30. It's a very common problem on the Lifestyle 20 and 30. An easy fix. Basically what you want to do is get yourself something like a butter knife or something, pry up the top. That's how you access the top here. Okay. Then you'll see that you'll have a screw here. I already took these screws out, and another screw over here, one all the way over here. Once you do that, you're going to take the center plate off here. This is going to lift up like that. Okay. What that's going to do is give you access to this vertical board over here. And what you're going to want to do is replace this cap right here. It's 50 volts, 100 microfarads. Okay. And that'll bring your display back up into life. So it's again, it's 50 volts, 100 microfarads, and that's it. Lifestyle 30 repair for a display. Thank you.